Hello Team Techno Club, a very warm greeting to all the authorities, committee members and respected judges panel. Here I Om Sharma along with my team members Harsh Kumar and Sarthak Gupta, second year student pursuing a bachelor's in information technology from Gautam Buddha University, India. This is the video presentation of our very own Hulu website and OTT platform which is built by our team Web Cyborg. Now, for better understanding, I'll take you to the computer screen where I will demonstrate the various functioning of our project. Over to the screen.
Alright, so this is the landing page of a Hulu website, which is actually an OTT platform powered by Disney Plus globally. We have recreated this website from scratch and have tried to provide more facilities to the users. This website is a fruitful combination of various texts such as HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript and much more. Let's dive deep into it. You have to click on the Start Your Free Trial button and then you will land to the home page. But first, let me surf you through the whole website. Here you can see different sections and at the bottom there is a footer. So now let me explain you. This is the home page of website where at the top we have a carousel displaying various movies banner in a fashionable order. This feature makes website more attractive and provides a better user interface. These movie banners will keep on revolving themselves after a fixed period of time. Below to it, we have different sections such as trending and watchlist section, which displays our user's selected movie accordingly. All these sections are divided into smaller divs with the help of cards. You can also see a special hover effect whenever you bring a cursor on any movie banner. Here at the bottom, there is an attractive footer which generally displays other information and other useful links. And at the top, here is the sign up form. When you click on it, you have to click again on the sign up button and then here you have to fill the credentials such as here I am using a dummy credential. And now click on the sign up button and then again you will land up to the home page. Now elaborating on my words, I would like to tell you we have made this website dynamic. Yes, you heard it right. These pages are not static. With the help of HTML, JavaScript and JSX code, all these pages are divided into components and are attached to some or other clickable link, which will redirect you to some or other entertainment services. Let me show you. Suppose we click on this banner on Avengers movie. Now you can see a bigger carousel holding a movie banner and other streaming details. Well, to add cherry on the top, we have structured the whole code base and designed the UI in such a manner that if you click on the image or the watch now button, it will redirect you to the Disney Plus Hotstar official page where you can comfortably have your popcorn and we have used WebKit keyframes for high quality animation and auto-generated carousel which creates slicker effect on different pages. Now, you may have one question in your mind that why not use Disney Plus directly? Well, Hulu is an individual organization which is powered by Disney Plus globally. That is, Disney Plus provides all the streaming services to Hulu. Moving back to the project, there are various other pages which holds similar functionalities as they are designed keeping the same objective in mind. Here you can see a sports section where there are different details of other sports such as basketball, cricket, hockey, football and much more. Again we have a footer on it. Now let me show you the responsiveness of this website. This is a completely responsive website which makes it usable on any device. We have used Media Query which facilitates the responsiveness of this website on all types of devices, whether it be a big screen or a small screen such as your mobile phones. Here you can see all pages are accessible with all the details and credentials same as that we are using before. Now again coming back to the home page. Now, I would like to conclude this video. Hope we are able to meet up the expectations of Techno Club and thanks for organizing this hackathon where we learn new skills. Looking forward for much learning events with Techno Club. Greetings from our team Web Cyborg.